thank you all for joining me today in my presentation. I'm going to be talking about bias and how I think it presents a challenge for computer vision, but not just in cases of facial recognition, where the upshot of my talk is going to be to leave you with some practical strategies that I think you can utilize and implement to build more robust systems. Now, the optimistic view about bias is that it might actually be, like AI systems might be less biased than humans. So think about it. When we are tired or stressed out or emotional or hungry, our decision-making can be less than ideal. AI, on the other hand, promises to bring consistency and objectivity to the table because it's not, it doesn't suffer from these same kinds of human quirks. And consistent decision-making can be great so long as it's consistently accurate. But if AI is offering us consistently or systematically inaccurate results, this can really bring us into problems with bias, especially when these errors can lead to unfair or discriminatory outcomes. Now, when people talk about bias in the realm of computer vision, they almost always bring up cases of facial recognition. So you've probably seen headlines like the one pictured here, another arrest and jail time due to a bad facial recognition match. In this case, a man was wrongfully arrested due to a facial recognition error, but what's really concerning is that in all three cases where this has happened, it was a black man who was misidentified by the system. And numerous studies have shown that facial recognition can perform poorly on darker skin tones. And this is especially concerning when we start thinking about how these systems are being used in high-stakes contexts like policing or surveillance. And it's generated a lot of discussion about the harms of biased systems.